Hey kids, the old goat here, and this is my unboxing video of the Jackery 1000. Now, you've probably seen images of the Jackery dozens of times, so that's no surprise what it looks like. But it's nice to see how it's packed, what comes with it, and I thought I'd just give you some of my initial impressions of it. So here's my review of in unboxing. And while I say it's a video, I actually took a bunch of still images, so you'll be able to pause it and really study them if you choose to. Okay, so to start off with, here is the Jackery where Fedex left it on my back porch. I was kind of surprised they left it without a signature, and while I was glad to get it, I'm glad it wasn't stolen. And here it is ready for the unboxing. Okay, I've just cut the box open and lifted the top flaps. And now I've gotten it out. And it's as we've come to expect, very nice package, very well done. Here's just the four sides of the box. And inside the box. And this little carrying bag, nice bag, it has your charging cable for the AC power and for your accessory port in your vehicle, as we refer to them as cigarette lighter adapters. Now this is the parallel connector, which they include now. It's really only useful if you have two Jackery solar panels, because they have the Anderson power pole connectors on there instead of the MC4 connectors as most solar panels have now. Okay, there is the front of the unit, and the I guess that's the right end of it, and then the left end, which has this built-in flashlight. And there's the flashlight in full bloom. Okay, it came with this warranty card, and it was the instruction manual, and then this nice little extra. It says you will get 12 extra months if you register for the warranty, which looks like there's, according to this, it's a 24-month warranty, so if I do the math correctly, you'll get 36-month warranty, which is pretty nice. And there are your charging cables on the right, the cigarette lighter charger, and then the other two for the AC. Okay, there it is. I just turned on the display. It comes with a 40% charge, and then I ripped the sticker off. Okay, and then I plug it in, and it gradually increases up to, I think at the most I saw was 163 watts, so it seemed to stabilize around 161, 162 initially. And I'm just going to leave it on and check back periodically to see how long it takes to charge it up. And that is it for right now. Okay, little observations on charging. It came with a 40% charge. After 1 hour, it was at 56%, so a 16% increase. And at 2 hours, it was at 72%, so another 16%. So it looks like you get about 16% an hour charge on the AC, and it will probably drop off a little bit as it gets closer to 100%. I believe I've read that to go from 0 to 100% takes about 7 hours on the AC. So I'm just going to leave it charging until it gets to 100%, and then I'll start doing some testing with it. Okay, so initial impressions. I like the unit. I believe it weighs 22 pounds, which is plenty when you think about traveling in a van, which is my plan, and just having to move it around from time to time. 22 pounds is enough. Of course, you look for the balance between cost and power and features. So I just ordered this. There was a Father's Day sale. I guess normally it's around $9.99, and they were having $100 off. But then with tax, it was still about almost $1,000 for 1,000 watts. But I purchased this because I want to travel in my van and charge my e-bike. I'm a mountain biker, and I recently got an e-bike which has a 504 watt-hour battery. So I'll be using it for that and charging my appliances, and charging my devices, and maybe running some small appliances. And I have a drone, so charging the batteries for that from time to time. And but it's nice. I like the weight is okay. I like the look of it and the size, and I like the handle. I might be chaining that down if I ever have a potential thief that could slow them down a little bit. Okay, just a few production notes. My house looks a little rough because I'm in the middle of a project of redoing my floor with vinyl plank flooring, so I have all the carpet ripped up and the baseboards taken off, so you may see that in the background. Hopefully that will get better. And I look a little rough too. I went to the dermatologist last week and had some things frozen off my face. So I hope you will like and subscribe, and I promise I will get a little better looking. But you get what you pay for. Anyway, but if you want to see more videos about the Jackery and charging it and using it and how long it takes to do different things and how well it works, please like and subscribe. Okay, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.